happy you could join me on this beautiful day. I hope it's a beautiful day wherever you're at. I'd like to start off by thanking all my viewers and subscribers and all the comments you've made. I really do appreciate it, and I always try to get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Today I got going on is a free-stretch canvas, 16 by 20. What I did was I loaded it up with a thin coat of liquid white that's going to help the oils blend right in on the canvas. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any of my paintings, you could go to eBay and type in oil painting with John LaCroix. What I thought we'd do today is evergreen trees, maybe a waterfall. So that's where I'm at so far. So we're going to take a 2-inch brush, load it up with some blue for the sky, blue and black. Blue and black. Maybe more towards the blue side. Maybe more towards the blue side. Some white, and we'll put some clouds in. Like that. Need some more white. Thicker white. Get a gray color going. Off in the distance. Maybe in here we can put some evergreen trees. Dark color. darker blue. Just like that. Pull this water. Just like that. Just scrubbing that in. Dark color. Making this dark. I think I'm going to call this a completed painting. Liquid clear, get into some lighter colors. I like putting my last name. I also like putting the year that I painted it. Let you know what you were thinking at the time and your progression. Well, I hope you painted along with me, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.